Hey guys, we're out here on Tilla's side of the property at Think Organic, and we're doing some expansion today. We just got a bunch of compost over here, and we're building beds. So we're going to describe some of that process that we're going through. We've already done here a 100-foot bed, and the ground hasn't been tilled this time, but we have here a broadboard. This comes out of Johnny's Seeds in Maine, and it is an amazing tool that you can use to get in and work the soil without disturbing it too much. So we're going to bring in some compost and demonstrate how we go through this process and show you what this tool can do. Now this tool came out of France a long time ago, and it's called a Yaoman's tool. It's kind of been repurposed for the modern day small farmer that has got a revolutionary set of new tools. Now we're excited to see how this performs, because previously, like on my side, I tilled up my new field block, and so I'm going to have a lot of weed issues, for a couple of years there. And over here, we're just going to be using the broadboard and without the additional tillage. So hopefully that it loosens up the soil without disturbing all of the weed seeds that are lying dormant underneath. So once you get a nice layer of compost, it doesn't need to be much. You shove it in, and then you kind of got to work it. You do a little rocking back and forth, and it'll sink down deep into the soil. And then you bring it up. Now, if you come look over here, you can see that the soil has come up good 6-8 inches, and so it's almost like a volcanic rift in the soil. And you rock it back and forth, and then you move 6 inches, and you do it again. Great tools are a lot of fun, and this is just a fun tool to work with. And it's really exciting to see how it performs. Over on the other side, I built a bed of carrots using this technique yesterday, and it gives a lot of space for those carrots to really penetrate deep into the soil. And so that's how we're prepping our beds out here without using any machinery. And hope you guys got it interesting.